Alright guys, we got just a quick update on the Miata. We recently installed this Flyin Miata front strut brace. So, nice suspension touch to the car. Haven't had a strut brace on this car because most do not fit with this turbo kit. So, again, if you get this turbo kit, make sure you get this front strut brace. Very, very sturdy. Very happy with it. It's nice. I also told you guys in the video before, I had to just make some edits to my coil pack setup here since the bracket was rubbing up against some of my spark plugs, so I just had to make some adjustments there, make a little bit of bracketing. I also need to still do this IACV. So the IACV on these cars, I need to use a little bit of I think I need to get a mallet. I ordered one. Hopefully it's probably come by now. Let's go check. But you need a mallet since this is not electronic, right? Like a Genesis one where you just bolt it off. This one uses like Permatex. So I need just a little bit of a mallet to get that off so I can get under there and actually take that off and replace it. Because as I told you guys, the car's, it doesn't, I need to give it gas once I start it up. So it's very prone to dying. So, but other than that, pretty good. Running pretty strong. We've also got, guys, these. Oh my gosh, these are so nice. I got these new front turn signals. These are Euro ones. I just came across them on eBay for like $40, and it is definitely one of the best $40 I've spent in a while. I feel like these are so nice. I feel like they're so much better than OEM. I like that they're clear. They have like a tiny hairline crack on the corner, but you can't even see it. So I just love these. These look so good. And I changed the bulbs in them as well. So we've got that clear look on both sides. And I had to match it on the side skirts or the side markers as well. So I got some clear side markers. These used to be amber. And let's go to the back of the car. I also made these. I believe they were red before, clear as well. Car's a little dirty, guys, but it's because I've been ripping it around. But yeah, I also ordered some Corns mirrors. I had some mirrors before. I thought those were gonna fit, and they just not fit. Apparently, they're like motorcycle mirrors, so waste of money. But I got some Corns mirrors coming, which I'll replace these hopefully with those. They are some nice vintage looking mirrors within like the next probably week or two. So excited to get those on. I thought I got a steal on those mirrors, but I guess somebody got a steal on me. But that's how life goes sometimes. So yeah, I think that's enough for some of the updates for this Miata as it sits as it is right now. But yeah, let me take you guys to some of the suspension parts and kind of showcase some of those pieces that I've got as well. See you in a second. All right, guys, we got the Kosei K1s wrapped in the Nitto Neogens. Took the hairnet off or the wheel net off for you guys. So I love you guys. Could have brought the other wheel from downstairs, but I'm too lazy. But I had to showcase you guys the new mountain balance setup. It'll look even better when it goes in the car, but these just look beautiful. These are gonna be amazing. I told you guys I wanted them in polished black, but I will take the silver/gray. Looks pretty good. And we also got, as I told you guys, the Flyin Miata VMAX coilovers, which will make sure that we have a beautiful ride height and we are not rubbing our wheels and tires. And it's giving us a nice, smooth, stable ride. I got these for, as I said, $700. They're in pretty good condition, I would say, for the most part. Maybe a little bit of rusting on that, but not a big deal. Overall, these are in excellent condition. Bump stops are pretty good. I'm very happy with these. These are about $1,200. So I think it'll be nice to make my ride a little bit more dynamic, and it will be fitting for these larger tires to grip the road. But very happy with this pickup, guys. Let's go.